And he also goes further, making the justification that the divisional charts are not necessary, or superficial, or not necessary, because he also takes the transit, and he is now currently embarking on the plan that as he progresses the ascendant, which has got to the physical features or the physical body of a person, the moon rules the mind. The moon is the karaka for the mind. So he progresses the moon also. The progress of the moon is already there in the field of astrology. That is based on your dasa bhukti. Let us say a person is born with Ashwini Nakshatra. He runs the Ketu dasa. Then it enters the Shukra dasa, and so on till the 9 dasas are over. So let us say for the same Ashwini star person who is ruled by the Mesha Rasi or Aries Rasi, when currently, let us say, is currently running Jupiter dasa. So the moon progresses to the Jupiter, the Mithuna or Gemini, where the Punarvasu star is there, where the Jupiter star is there. The question arises, why does it take only Mithuna? Because Punarvasu is also available in Karkataka, which he wants to answer in the next session. Next session. And then he also dealt how he has reached Mr. Mohan Srinivasan sir. He says, Sri Rajesh used to consult him. Rajesh is a renowned cine star in Tamil Nadu, and he has approached various astrologers throughout the length and breadth of India. There is no senior astrologer or a man with profound knowledge in astrology that Sri Rajesh has not touched, because apart from cine, being active in the cine line, in the tinsel world, on the silver screen, is also very passionate in the field of astrology, being himself a great astrologer. So he was amazed by the findings of Sri Poduvudai Murthy, and after learning the entire principles of Akshay Lagna Paddhati, he wanted the world at large to know about the Akshay Lagna Paddhati, and he wanted a person who can sufficiently help him in translation of all this Tamil literature he has got into various languages. And then the destination was Sri Mohan Srinivasan, and the finger pointed by Sri Rajesh, the renowned cine artist, is Sri Mohan Srinivasan. That's how Sri Murthy and Mohan Srinivasan came into a similar bond and into a common bond, and they embarked upon this translation.
Actually, I have to add here that I am humbled by what Rajesh sir has said, but the minute Poduvudai Murthy rang me up and explained me the system, and he just told me a few things, I knew that there is something really core there which is not existing in any other system. I have done several systems, but the predictions he was able to give me really told me that here is something which each and everyone in this world should know. And though I am not proficient in the Tamil language, I immediately took upon the responsibility of translating this book along with you so that really the world can benefit. And I was so amazed that while reading the book itself, I came to know that he is writing 17 more books. So we have going to be fully occupied over the next several years bringing this knowledge to the world. And while writing this book and while trying to reach it out to the world, we are getting newer and newer techniques and more insights into how predictions can be given, to what level it can be given, and to also clearly say where the world is fighting, how much is fate, how much is free will. Things are becoming so clear that I really have to thank both Sir Rajesh as well as Poduvudai Murthy to have given me this opportunity to translate the book and also make me a part of the whole process. I will be glad if this book really converts people to believe in this science.
Great. See, this fate and free will, there is a lot of talk about this. There is also a talk that people don't believe in astrology. Why? They even carry it to the level of not believing in the Godhead also. I, as an astrologer, can say that when a child is born, the astrologer says this child will be a scientist, this child will go to the field of physics, this child will go to the field of medicine, even to the level of saying it can be a dentist and an orthopedic or an eye surgeon. Then let us say in the case 10 cases, if it is 50-50, 5 was correct and 5 were not correct, then we can brush aside astrology and we can brush aside God. But when 9 or 8 or 9 or more than 9 becomes to be correct, what the astrologer predicted and the child turned out to be at the end of the secondary education and the later collegiate education, and it turns out to be an engineer, turns out to be a dentist, turns out to be a scientist or a space research person or a businessman, it cannot be a fluke. 9 out of 10 cannot be a fluke. And the clear bearing of this science of astrology, which is based on astronomy, is there is a clear correlation. It cannot be discarded. And when it goes to such extent of clearance, when it goes to such level of expertise, when it goes to such level of clarity and understanding, a person's fate is clearly read and it cannot be otherwise. Where there are tens of cases proved correct, then you see that God Himself has given mankind a tool to find his or her future. What has God in store for her or for him? What is life in store for him or for her is clearly established. And Sri Murthy in his future books, this he has explained in the current book in these few lectures, and we wish him he goes. He has got 17 books in his pocket, which is 17 books in the pipeline. Already of 2 or 3 are nearing completion. He is giving the entire theory clearly open to the world, whereby you can become another Sri Murthy.
Here I have to give my own experience. When we first met, when Sunil John from Saptarishi was interviewing him, he told when a person entered, he asked us to ask him whether in front of his house kittens were recently born and whether he fed some dogs. And the person, when he was questioned, we didn't even know who he was when he entered. He had not asked him his name, he had not asked him anything. And he said his wife would have gone to meet dental specialist in the last couple of 15 to 20 days, and she'll be wearing specs and she'll have thick curly hairs. And when the person confirmed it, and he didn't know that his wife was actually going to a dentist, he actually had to ring her up and verify, and said, I have been going for the last 6 months. That's when I realized the depth and the level to which a person can go. I was also flummoxed by the minute I told him Kumbha Lagna, he said, your father is 6 plus and your mother is 8 plus. I said, what do you mean by that? He said 6 co-bonds and 8 co-bonds, which is really amazing. Just by the Lagna he was able to tell that. So you can imagine to what level, if one really studies with him and goes deep into it, that almost every aspect of life can be predicted. Not to mention that there is now free will. He has already clearly demarcated, to my knowledge, what are the houses of free will, what are the houses of fate, which cannot be changed. So I am eagerly waiting for him to hand over the next couple of books so that I can start promoting it, translating it. And to this I should also thank Saptarishi for really going forward to publish these books immediately, because they also feel that this is something which each and everyone has to know, should understand, should be involved in, and should really go a long way in establishing this as a main system for all of us to follow.
Now this digital media, sir, Sri Mohan Srinivasan and Honorable Murthy Garu, this digital media everybody is using, YouTube, everybody is using, nothing wrong in that. Many an astrologer are using this, many a soothsayer, maybe it's astrology or numerology or any other means of divination. The YouTube and the world at large is thrown open to them. But here is a person who is throwing open his theories, whereby he produces astrologers, whereby he improves on the astrologers, the line of thinking, the line of calculation and the line of prediction. And when you mentioned Sri Sunil John, he is one person not promoting his own philosophy, but he promotes the cause of astrology. Here is a different man, totally he is at the service of the world. Sunil John, his portal Saptarishi.com. He is throwing open the entire field of astrology and what God has in store and how it can be read. I have seen Sri Sunil John bringing up a common astrologer on the pavement, on the street, not so well to do, but with a divine knowledge of telling even the king what has to be done, telling the topmost Ambani or businessman what the future holds in stock for him. And he has also brought Sri Murthy, who is an amazing university in the field of astrology. So to that extent, Sri Sunil John has covered. We are thankful to him. At this moment, though, we are missing him here today.
Your generations after generations are doing traditional astrology.
Oh.
How is it that you could envision a system such as ALP?
சின்ன பிள்ளையிலேருந்து என்ன அப்படின்னா ஏதோ ஒரு விஷயத்தில் வந்து பேர் வாங்கணுங்கிறதுல முடிவு பண்ணோம். சின்ன பிள்ளையில என்ன பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா 10 பேர் இருக்கிற இடத்துல நான் கொஞ்சம் நமக்கு வித்தியாசமாக தெரியணும் அப்படின்னு தான் எனக்கு அந்த விஷயம் தோணும். அதோடு இல்லாமல் நான் ஜாதகம் பார்த்த லெவலில் எனக்கு நீங்கள் எனக்கு காசு கொடுக்குறீங்க, நான் உங்கள்கிட்ட எனக்கு நான் பார்த்துட்டு நான் போய்ட்டுறேன், எனக்கு ஒரு 500 1000 கொடுக்குறீங்க, 5000 கொடுக்குறீங்க. ஆனால் எனக்கு அது வந்து மனசுக்குள்ளே அது வாங்கும்போது எனக்கு திருப்தி இல்லை. அதில் என்னமோ எனக்கு ஒரு குறை வந்து எனக்கு கரெக்டாக தான் சொல்லியிருப்பேன். ஆனால் வந்து இதை விட எனக்கு வந்து இன்னும் வந்து எனக்கு இதை விட நான் பெட்டராக ஒரு விஷயத்த உங்களுக்கு சொல்லிவிட்டு காசு வாங்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுல நான் தெளிவாக இருந்தேன். ஏன்னா 10 பேர்கிட்ட பார்த்துட்டு தான் நம்மகிட்ட வர்றாங்க. அதில் வந்து நான் தெளிவாக இருந்தேன். சரி, இது விட ஏதோ ஒரு விஷயம் நமக்கு வந்து மறைபொருளாக சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. இப்போ ஒருத்தர் கேட்டிருந்தாங்க, உங்களுக்கு ஏதோ பழைய ஓலைச்சுவடி கிடச்சிட்டு நிறைய